Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another book review for crafting, junk journaling, whatever you may want to check out the inside of a book. So let's get right to it. Like I said, these videos will be quick. They're going to show you the book. I will show you everything about it, the spine, how it's sewn, hardcover, softcover, size, and show you every page of the book. All right. So I have the Bumper book. This is a beautiful orange. The Bumper book, A Harvest of Stories and Verses, edited by Waddy Piper. Platt and Monk is what's down here on the bottom. Hardcover. There's the spine. Here's the back of the book. So it's Platt and Monk Publishers, a division of Grosset and Dunlop. Okay, so let's get a measurement. It is 9.5 wide by 12.25 tall. So this is a large book. Let's take a look. And immediately, I have a big grocery sack, a regular paper bag grocery sack. I go to this little thrift store by where I live. It's maybe 10 miles away, and I only get there a certain time. I don't get to go there every day because it's a little ways away. But I had to go there to pick up my sewing machine, so this thrift store is right down the street from there. So they had a bag of books for $3. So I had a fun time. I had probably 20 books in this bag. So this will be a fun review because I have so many books to go through and show you. But when I seen this one, look at these, look at the images in this book. I just love them. I love that vintage look. That is just fantastic. I love those. I love that look. All right, zoom back out here so we can see the whole book. All right, let's go. Beautiful color, very thick paper. The Bumper book, A Harvest of Story and Verses. Cover illustration by Betty D. Argio. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Okay, so this is 1969 copyright. So look at these. They are just full of, and it's kind of weird because almost the letters are a little bit raised on here. But the pictures are just fantastic. Look at that little girl's face. My gosh. Isn't that just the rosy cheeks? I mean, it's a dead giveaway that this is definitely a look at that. I mean, the wee kitten who sucked her thumb, lullabies. Look at that. Beautiful, deep, rich colors in these pages. As soon as I saw this book, I grabbed it. Animal crackers. Look at that. Oh, Christopher Robin and his saying his prayers. This book is just absolutely beautiful and darling. I mean, look at, you can use this book, you can put these pages, Easter books, baby books, for someone who is pregnant. There are many different themes. There's just nursery. Here's, a little girl. Here's, even though they're fishing. There's all different types of, books you could put these in for themes, I guess I want to say. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? This beautiful yellow. It almost blends in with my yellow polka dot paper down here, or background. Look at these fish. was once a little fish, fishy, wishy, swishy, fishy, in a dishy little fish. Little rhymes. Oh, these are just adorable. Look at this. Grandma sewing, hemming up a sock, a hole in a sock. And look at these. I saw these pages with this beautiful flower trim. And then there's a little picture of each day of the week. And won't these make absolutely stunning tags by cutting each one of these out? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I've got to do a close-up of this one. Look at that girl on the swing. Oops, if I'm trying to, there we go. Isn't that something? I was floored by this book. Here's Thanksgiving. If you do a Thanksgiving journal. Farm journals. Here's a winter scene, would be beautiful in a Christmas journal. And here's some more of these pages. Look at that. And this one is another, another one for the whole year. I just thought those were just awesome. Absolutely stunning book. And I would have never have guessed it by just looking at this, the bumper book. I wouldn't have guessed that that was the type of pages in there, to me, I guess. So, and if you can see the spine here, if I can get it to zoom. Come on. Okay, see the signatures? Because this spine is already damaged. But look, they're all sewn in signatures. So you can take this whole entire book and you will have the entire page that you can take out of this book. So definitely, if you're into these type of, using these types of pages in your journals or fussy cutting or whatever, this is definitely a book I recommend. The Bumper Book, A Harvest of Stories and Verses by Waddy Piper. So, okay. Thanks. All right, bye.